Hi, this is Bob Johnson's Computer Stuff, and if you're looking for an online Toughbook community that gives tips, tricks, and support, hit the subscribe and bell button for all of our upcoming videos. Today we'll be replacing the battery in your Panasonic Toughbooks CF-20. First thing you want to do is shut the computer off. And now you want to remove it from the dock. There's a little release switch you just need to pull to the side, and then you can remove. Now you want to flip the tablet portion of the computer. I like to keep it on a cloth, make sure it doesn't get any scratches. There are two release switches on the bottom here. You'll pull these and the back cover should come right off. Then there's one more release switch for the battery. And now you can replace the battery. This one's just for example, so I'll put that battery right back. And to put the cover back on, you need to sit it in place and slide it towards the top. You'll hear when it clicks closed. And then you can slide it back into the keyboard dock. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Any questions or comments you can leave below.